This is my special family.
You say it.
Maddie.
What?
Little Bill. Hey! I didn't even say that because she still put it down. Stop putting it down. I didn't do that because she put it down.
You're next.
Sucking your booty on camera.
I did it!
Do it again.
Stop! For real! Stop!
Maddie, say hi to
Hi.
the viewers. Hi. We'll say what's up.
What's up?
That's stupid.
I'm Dunny. Well,
I'm Kieran.
people call me Dunny.
I call you Donnie and that's it.
People call
Not
me
really.
Cece.
People in
No,
my
they
school.
don't. In my class.
Whatever.
They
Whatever.
call you Cece.
Her name is Kieran. We call her.
I'm not
Dunny calls her Kiki.
And I call her Cuz. Maddie, where you
But
going?
people in my school really do call me Dunny.
And I call Madison Fatty Pants.
Ew.
Ew, you farted on the camera, so now how you gonna make fun of me?
She's scared her.
Hey!
Hey!
Looking like Tupac.
Tupac is way darker than this, honey.
So, but you look like him standing like that.
Shut up, guys. That's not my mom, that's not my dad, that's my brother, that's my cousin. So you better watch this video. It's hilarious. Please watch it on KieranAllen.com.
Okay, don't tell
She
people.
doesn't have her own website.
She doesn't. Okay, don't tell everybody your last name.
She's a 6-year-old.
Stalkers.
Stalk my sister, I'll kill you.
If you stalk him, I'll kill you too. See? Holding a good camera because my camera broke and I didn't bring it. Here comes Maddie. Everybody act like a statue. Everybody act like a statue. Okay. She just acts like a statue too. Okay, yeah. Well, if you liked it, y'all want to say anything? Call me.
I plan on
Okay,
being
yeah.
famous when I'm 13. I'm 11 right now, so.
And
I
I'm
plan
gonna
on
be
being
a pop,
famous. I plan on being famous when I'm this age.
and I'm gonna be a pop star when I'm like 16.
Why do you stick your tongue
I
on the
know.
way to your top lip? You be like,
She's like,
Like,
it's like you're licking your whole face.
This is weird stuff with Sadie. Watch this.
Sadie, we have to go eat at some cereal.
We gotta go eat at some cereal.
We gonna eat S-A-D-Y, guys.
Not
Look
even
at
do it loud enough.
S-E-D-Y.
Wait.
S-O-S-O-S. What? She didn't even say nothing. No!
He's not even hitting her. He's just hitting the couch. Man, he didn't even hit you. Little actress. Okay.
Guys,
Bye.
we have to go.